Hi everybody, I have a great big huge bag here. I'm gonna get into it. We're gonna sort some things out, and we're clearly not gonna do all this at once. There's a whole bunch of stuff in here. All right, this is from FGNORMAL. Let me just start pulling stuff out. This, I know what it is. It's kind of coming out of the box. It's all right. All right, so we got paintings in here. Oh, there's a big one. Oh, look, there's the rest of my box. Okay, let's put that there. Well, we have things like this, things like that, more paintings. Oh, that is not a painting. We'll put that with this. Another painting. Ooh. Another painting. Another painting. What else? One more painting. And then this. Is that it? I think that's it. Hello? That bag's empty. That bag is empty. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna do this as one video, and we'll do these as a separate video. That makes complete sense to me. This is kind of different stuff, and those are paintings. Okay, all right, let's show you what we have. Well, let's deal with this first, since he's all coming out of his box. Now, these things are some things that I was asked after I had kind of placed my initial order if I would show. These are like extras that they threw in, things that they're, special promotion things. They're trying to, really bring people aware of. Okay, do not dip this cleaner in the water, otherwise the motor will be damaged. Do not use oil or benzene to clean it. Do not try to remove the dust with iron bits, glass, or wooden scraps. I don't know why you would do any of that stuff. Okay, anyhow, this is called a desktop cleaner or a desk cleaner, all right? This is what we know to be one of the little vacuums, and I should have gotten a battery right off the bat, but I didn't. Where does the battery even go? Oh, look at this, comes apart. Okay, here's our little fan. We've got a fan here. Where does the battery go? I don't know. Okay. I think we might have to unscrew this. See the little screws in here? We might have to unscrew that to figure out where the battery goes. That seems likely. Okay. Well, I am going to do this later. That's what I'm going to do. I will get to this later, and we will get to the bottom of it. Okay, I'll figure out how to put the battery in there, and I'll come back and show it to you later. All right, so that's we'll just talk about that later. All right, so let's look at these next. These are cute. They come in these nice little cases. I like this. One's in a baggie, one's not. But these are Coverminders. Yep. So you'll see the two magnets on the back, right? Two magnets. They're a resin. They're very pretty. Heart Coverminder. It's very nice. All right, this one comes in its little case. We can put it back in its little case. Cute. Does it want to fasten? Nope. Nope. It doesn't stay fastened. Okay. Then we have another one. This one stays fastened. What does this one look like? This one's all taped shut. Okay. We'll get into it. Trust me, we'll get into it. It's taped all the way around. Okay. All right, I think we can open it now. Again, here's our magnets on the back. And look at that one. That one's pretty as well. Please focus. Thank you. Pretty, right? So we have that one, and we have this one. Let me just put the cases down. I knew that was going to happen. Why did I even think I could do that? It scares me every time. So they're two hearts. Pretty cute, right? Pretty cute. Nice. Little Coverminders. Okay. Nice. I will link all these things below with all of their prices and stuff like that. So, okay. There we go. Two little Coverminders. All right. Next, I think you may know what this is. This is a collapsible funnel. This one goes like this. And you can use it to transfer drills from a tray into a bottle, or I use these a lot of times when I'm kitting up, not kitting up, when I'm de-kitting, de-stashing and putting things in little baggies to put them away. These are pretty handy. These can get sticky. Your drills can stick in these because they're silicone. If you take like a dryer sheet and rub in there, it will help them not stick as much. All right, just a little FYI. But it's a little funnel to help you with moving drills from one place to another. All right, this is interesting. Now, this is advertised as a mask. If I can get it out of here. A mask container holder. We call it a mask holder. Because, you know, everybody is wearing masks these days. And I will probably never put that back in that bag because it's all torn. So, yeah. So this is, you know, you take your little mask. Isn't it cute though? I mean, they sent me an owl. Really? Okay, yeah. An owl, of course. How perfect. Isn't it cute though? So your drills go on the owl, not on the hearts, but on the owl. This is a plastic case. I also think, you know, you could use this as a little travel case for tissues, or I thought of baby wipes right away. I don't know why I thought of baby wipes, but if you don't want to hold your mask in here, you could use this for a notepad holder or tissues or any other little thing that you might want to put in a little case. You want to throw in a bag or in your purse or take to the beach with stuff in it. I'm thinking tissues, little wipes, things like that. Or you put your mask in it, okay? Isn't it cute though? Comes with a drill tray and pen and wax. So you can, oh, and they're special shapes. They are rhinestones and such. Okay, let's look at them. Why is everything being so difficult to open? I don't know. It's giving me a hard time. Now, I'm assuming there's no legend with this, so it's just going to be, yep, they're 1 through 7, and there's like a letter, and they're going to be on the bag. So your symbols are on the bag. So like this is B, okay? B is his feet. See his feet? B. You got a whole bag for like 8 drills, all right? There's hearts, beautiful. We have 1 heart. See, 1 heart goes right there. But we have 4, awesome. We have some little marquees in 2 different colors, and then the rest would be rhinestones. There's quite a selection of rhinestones. Look at the colors. Well, they're not all rhinestones. Here's some black, and here's some ABs. Cute. Super cute. I see many uses for this. I think it's awfully cute. Thank you for sending that along. Yeah, I didn't even know they had those. He sent me a separate email and said, hey, would you mind showing some of these things? And I'm like, send them on, send them on. All right. Now this, I'm interested in. Let's see, how can we get into it? It's all taped up here at the end. Okay. Well, let's find us a knife. Let's get us a knife over here. And we'll get right into it. Okay. Come on. Like I said, it's all taped. You might kind of have an idea what this is already. Here's a bag of tools, screws, hooks, all kinds of goodies there, right? Because this is a frame. They have frames. You can go right, oh, yeah, oh, I like this, okay. Ooh, I like it. I thought it was going to be like this, and it is. Can you see it? Can you see it? I'm really pleased with this so far. Everything looks really good. Doesn't look like it's, oh, there's a couple scratches, couple places, but I could always find a little gold paint for a couple touch-ups. Like this piece looks perfect. Nothing wrong with this piece at all. That one piece had a couple of the gold spots that kind of were rubbed off a little bit, but you could always grab a little gold paint and just dab on there. This one got a little scratched, but isn't this pretty? I mean, I think, and this is a good size. Look at how large this is going to be. Look, it's gonna go like this, right? And this piece goes down here. This is a good size frame. Look at it. Isn't it cool? I really think it's cool. I like it. Now you can't see the whole thing, but look at it. I really like that. Isn't that neat? Yeah. And then all of this hardware here is what you would use to put this together. Now, I have made a frame like this. I've made a frame like this. Dale and I made a frame like this. We took some wood and you take these are your little corner pieces, right? So you attach these to the back, right? So you attach these to the back. Let's see if I can kind of, right? You take your little corners like this, get this all lined up nice. And this goes on here and you screw it right onto the back. Can you see what I'm doing? I'll try to hold it up. It's not going to be perfect, but you screw it right onto the back like this and it holds your frame together. So 4 screws, it's 4 screws, and it makes a corner bracket to hold your frame together. I know how to do this one. I know how to do this one. I just got another frame from somebody. I still can't figure out how to do that one. But this I get. Okay, this one I understand because I have built a frame like this. So you have your brackets and you have your screws, lots and lots of screws. And then these, if I'm not mistaken, these are like holders you put on the back, see? And they will go into the back of your frame. These will like push into the frame and this will give you a place where you can hang it from. Like then you could run a wire or a string or something and you can hang it. Pretty nifty. I like it. I really like the frame. Other than, like I said, that one piece has a couple spots where some of the gold came off. I mean, you know, shipping, rubbing, that kind of stuff. Now, if they'd been individually wrapped, it probably would have stayed a little bit nicer. But really, it's really just the one piece that has some of the missing gold. And I mean, it would be easy to just take a little toothpick and add a little gold paint there. But I really liked it. I really think it's pretty. All right, I'm going to go work on the desktop cleaner and see if I can get that working for you. And then I'll be back. Okay, I said I would come back to this little creature. He's working, okay? Hear it? He's working. Okay, so it's not the simplest thing. All right, so this part, there's little notches. You got to get them just right. You got to get them right in the little grooves. See the little grooves? You got to put them in there and give it a little twist, okay? Same thing when you're taking it off. This is what's going to like collect your stuff, I think. Anyhow, so you did have to unscrew all of these. Unscrew all of these and this whole white piece, this whole thing comes out, the motor's underneath. And I'm not going to take it all apart again because to tell you the truth, Dale helped me do this, okay? So when you take it out, you saw it taken apart. It takes 2 AA batteries. It looks like it takes AAAs, the small little ones, but it doesn't. It takes the AA batteries, 2 of them. You get those in there, and here was the tricky part. Okay, you see your little button here, your little knob? Well, in the white part here, inside is a little switch, and that little switch has got to go right in this little knob, and I could not get it to do that because you got to move this whole part, this whole white part, and you got to try to line it and get that black knob into this. It was, okay, I couldn't do it. So what Dale showed me is that you actually take the top off, and I don't think it comes off right now, but you take this part, oh, maybe it does. Yeah, you take this part off. Okay, now you can see what I'm talking about. See the black piece right there? It has to go into the other black piece on the outside. You got to get those lined up just right and get them in there. The only way to do that is to come through like this so that you can see it from the top. All right. Now it doesn't fit through the top but that's how you have to kind of wiggle it around. It's tricky. It really was kind of tricky. But then, you know, you get this all lined up. This actually came off. The black piece came off, and that's what helped him to get the two black parts to go together, right? But anyhow, then you just snap him back on, and this goes back in. Like I said, there's little grooves for everything, and you gotta line up all your little grooves, and you know, it's tricky. Like I said, you gotta find the right. Okay, where's my little slot here? See what I mean, you guys? It just, once you get it put together, man, you're not going to want to take it apart again. It doesn't go that way. No, it goes this way. No, it goes this way. How come I can't get it back in there? You like to watch this. This is fun, isn't it? Watch the struggles. Yeah. Okay. Okay. There. That part's in. Whew. That was the hardest part. Okay, the feet are the easier part. Except I got them on backwards. Okay. Come on. Let's go this way. We want his feet to go this way. Lord have mercy. And there he is. See, don't mess with it too much. You just have to really play with it. I really did need Dale's help to figure this out, but I gave you a little tip. Take the head off, and then it's much easier to line up your black pieces on the outside and the black pieces on the inside. All right, so does it work? It works. We have to test it out and see if it will actually vacuum up some drills at some point. All right, I'm done. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Sorry this part's a hot mess, but it wasn't easy, okay? I'll just say it wasn't easy. Thanks for watching, though. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.